Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening YouTube. Calm and clicking Sign In. Once done, choose Create Account and select For Myself. You'll be asked for name, birth date, and a username. Pick one that's available and memorable. Make sure to create a strong password and record it securely. Next, provide an existing email if you prefer not to use Gmail. Keep your phone nearby for immediate SMS verification. This speeds the process and helps secure your new Google account instantly. Once you receive the verification code, enter it exactly as shown. If SMS fails, request a voice call. After verification, go straight to account settings and add a recovery email. This prevents lockouts. Enable two-step verification for stronger security. Use an authenticator app or backup codes. Then navigate privacy settings to control ad personalization and activity tracking. Make sure to review YouTube channel defaults if you plan to upload. These settings influence visibility and comment moderation from the start. You finish by signing into YouTube with your new Google credentials and confirming your profile details. If you intend to upload or comment, create a YouTube channel by clicking your avatar and following prompts. This links identity and channel settings. Make sure to verify your channel for longer uploads and custom thumbnails. If something goes wrong, like verification failing, clear browser cache, try an incognito window, or use a different device. These steps often resolve temporary errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.